Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your boy Jose, and you know, for today, how can I put this? All my goal today is to decode the female language, so all of you guys can have a chance at getting that girl. Because sometimes I feel like, I don't know, girls like live in the upside down world. Like, they'll tell you one thing, but they mean something completely different. So today I'm gonna show you the top 5 lies most girls tell guys so you are fully woke. Let's hop into it. Number 1, she'll tell you she's not interested or looking for a relationship. The worst part, this is horrendous. 2 weeks later, you'll see her bio updated to taken. She might as well just kicked you in the ball sack and called you ugly, because that would have felt a lot less worse. So to avoid this, make sure there's some sort of interest from her part first before you pour your heart out and she stomps all over it. So if she's not texting you back or picking up your calls, or in person she acts very distant, then you have about a 95% chance that she is not interested and you can move on before she just rips your heart out. Number 2, I have a boyfriend. I think 90% of the time that most girls use this line, they're most likely just single and nicely blowing you off. But here's the thing, most of the time you'll know if it's a lie or not. You can either A, be persistent, or B, give up. Either or, it's not bad. Giving up is probably the easiest path to take, and it's recommended. You avoid rejection, you move on, there's plenty of fish in the sea. Being persistent has its downfalls, but also has major rewards, because women love a guy that's persistent and doesn't give up easily, and that will turn her on. So in other words, this is only effective if you see this girl often or are in contact with her often. If it's just a random person you met in the street, it'll be hard to be persistent with her before she thinks you're a rapist. But if you know this girl, you can slowly start building a relationship with her. And so if this was her opening line to you, she might have felt that you came on too strong. So you want to start getting to know her and slowly building a relationship till the point that you can get her number. Once you get her number, you know there's interest, and now it's full blown. Number 3, you're a nice guy, but man, this one hurts like a knife to the heart, because she's just trying to be nice and not tell you what she's really thinking. The truth? She doesn't see you as boyfriend material, mainly because she's not sexually attracted to you, which usually happens because most guys, they play it too safe. They don't touch her, tease her, flirt with her, or have any sort of sexual appeal. So you come across as a nice puppy to play with instead of her knight in shining armor that she's gonna go away with. And this is exactly why, for shy guys, your style and the way you dress is extremely important. When you wear things that make you look more masculine and more muscular and overall just look like a testosterone-filled hunk, you're gonna create instant sex appeal with any female, and you're not even trying. So, what better way to increase your own sex appeal and style than by wearing masculine jewelry? From our sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. Because these guys absolutely kill it when it comes to jewelry for guys that actually looks good, that actually makes you look more manly. A lot of times you'll buy jewelry in certain stores and it's just too overly loud, too shiny, and almost too feminine, to the point that wearing them is counterintuitive and hurting you more so than making you look good. Not with Rose Gold and Black. If you've ever been to the site, you'll see exactly what I mean. Their aesthetic is super minimal and clean, that makes it easy to pull off for any guy. Even if you're the more conservative guy that likes more smart wear, their stuff will probably work with you. And that's the great thing with the minimal design, is that they work across the board with any type of style. But the point is, they make you look sexier. They make you look more masculine. Now, if you've never given jewelry a shot or tried to start wearing any type of jewelry, whether it's a watch, a bracelet, or a necklace, I think you need to try it out. And what better way than by trying something simple like a bracelet? It's super affordable, you're not gonna spend an arm and a leg, and it's a great way to start dipping your feet with this type of style and see if it works with you, if it makes you feel comfortable, if it makes you feel more confident. If it does, bingo bango, you found your solution. Now, if you haven't been on Rose Gold and Black site yet, I don't know, I think you're absolutely missing out. There's gonna be a special link down below. Now that link, anything you find in that link is gonna be heavily discounted already, because that's our special link. And everything there are stuff that I personally use in my collection and that I use on a daily basis. So all you have to do is you go to that link, choose whatever item you like, and as soon as you apply to cart, it's already discounted, versus going to the store originally. You don't even have to apply a code. The 4th lie most girls will tell you is, I'm not mad at you. If you're dumb enough to think she's not, I don't know, maybe you deserve her to be mad at you. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm on your side, not hers. Women are crazy, and sometimes us guys, we have insignificant, small, minor, accidental slip-ups, like forgetting her birthday, or accidentally calling her by your ex's name. You know, just insignificant small screw-ups that women will dwell on and never let go. So, here's what you should do. As stupid as this might seem, they basically want us as men to read their minds and learn that she means the complete opposite of what she is saying, and what she really wants is for you to care and talk about her feelings. So sit back, relax, because you're about to lose an hour of your life just to make you happy. And that's life. And finally, number 5, when she tells you, I don't want anything this year. Baloney. If you ever hear this and you're dumb enough to follow along, I feel sorry for you, but you're probably gonna be single. Think about it. Everybody loves receiving gifts, especially on special occasions. So when she tells you, I don't want anything this year, she still wants something. Whether it's a creative gift, a thoughtful gift, which is completely free, or you to plan something, a special event. It doesn't necessarily have to be something expensive like jewelry or a purse that she is referring to. So if you really want to keep your girl and show her that you care, if you ever, remember me, if you ever hear this lie, don't believe it. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. Those are the top 5 lies most women tell men, and we're dumb enough to believe. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. If you guys want to check that out, it'll be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.